Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is crop production and management. Okay. Now in this chapter what we will study, firstly you should know what is crop. Crop means फसल, उसका production and उसको कैसे manage करना है. Okay. Now let's get started with our lesson. So in this chapter we will study following topics. Okay, first is agriculture, next is crops and types of crops, the two cropping patterns in India, basic agricultural practices, various traditional and tools used in the field, and animal husbandry. So firstly we will see what is agriculture. Okay. Agriculture क्या होता है? The practice of growing plants and rearing animals for food, fiber and other useful products on large scale. मतलब सिर्फ क्रॉप्स को ही, प्लांट्स को ग्रो करना नहीं, एनिमल्स को भी रियर किया जाता है, ब्रीड किया जाता है, और फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग फूड, फाइबर एंड अदर यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स ह्यूमन कंजप्शन के लिए ऑब्टेन कर सकें. And this term agriculture is derived from two Latin words, ager जिसका मतलब होता है fields, culture which means cultivation. So now we see crops and types of crops. अभी agriculture term में ही हमने crops word यूज़ किया था, हमारे chapter के भी name में crop word आया था. तो what is a crop? Crop, when plants of same kind are grown at one place on large scale, it is known as crops. And different types of crops require different climatic conditions. जब भी हम एक ही तरह के प्लांट्स को ग्रो करते हैं लार्ज स्केल पे, उनको क्रॉप्स कहते हैं. And it is done by farmers. Okay. Now look, types of crops: kharif crop and main Rabi crop. Okay, Kharif crop is a rainy season crop and Rabi is a winter season crop. Okay, and Kharif crop, it is sown in June and July and harvested in September, October. And Rabi crop, it is sown in October and November and it is harvested in March and April. So जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि different crops different season में ग्रो करती हैं. So look, another is zaid crops. They are grown mainly during summer season. They require warm and dry weather, and its examples are cucumber, watermelon, bitter gourd. Okay. Examples of kharif crops are cotton, groundnut, rice, maize. And Rabi crops के example देखो, wheat, pea, barley, gram. You have to learn these names कि कौन से season में कौन से crops होते हैं. Next we will see what are the different practices for the production of crops in a field. So first step is preparation of soil, second is sowing of seeds, third adding manures and fertilizers, next is irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, and last step is storage. Okay, these are the steps which are followed in fields by farmers. Now we will study all the steps one by one. Okay, the first step is preparation of soil. It is the process of loosening and turning of the soil. Soil को firstly लूज़ किया जाता है, टर्न किया जाता है. Why? Because ये process help करता है easy penetration of roots, and this loosening is done by a plow. Plow has a long wooden rod called plow shaft and also has a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. Plows are either pulled by animals or by tractors. Next is hoe. It is another tool used for tilling. It consists of a flat iron blade set on a long wooden handle. And this is the very important step as it helps the roots to breathe easily. Roots को breathing के लिए air मिल जाती है easily, and it allows the roots to penetrate deeper. बहुत अंदर तक डीप सॉइल में चले जा सकती हैं रूट्स easily, and it helps in growth of earthworms and microbes in the soil, and they provide nutrients. ये earthworm जो हैं या microbes हैं वो nutrients provide कर देते हैं. Next, after loosening, the soil is leveled. तो next step in this process is leveling. It is the process to make soil surface in level for sowing seed, and this is done by leveler which is made of iron or either wood. Okay.